Hi, my name's Jordan. I'm an electrician from Advanced Electrical Services. We're based in Point Chevalier in Auckland, and I've been an electrician for about 20 years. While doing electrical emergency call-outs, quite often some of the biggest problems that we've found have been electrical fires based in switchboards, or multi-boxes are terrible for it. So you come into someone's flat and they've got a multi-box and they've got 2 oil heaters off it, as well as the TV and a sky box. And so basically all of a sudden they've found that there's a sizzling, there's a smoky smell in the room that no one knows what it is. We get called in, we come in, you go around, you have a look everywhere, and you actually find that this 4-way box that's sitting on the carpet in the lounge is actually partially internally on fire. And so things like this that could be found so much sooner, and for instance, if no one's home, that turns into a fire. These situations can be quite dangerous. You get basic ones like laundries as well, where you get a high load, and we've come to call-outs before where it's basically, even with these ones here, the plug is not connecting properly into the power point. However, you've got your washing machine drawing 8 amps, which is quite a large load, and through that it basically starts to, if it's not a perfect connection, an arc starts to appear, and over time the arc carbonizes, and basically more and more and more over a long period of time it can just lead to a fire. And so that's basically where these find that even before we do. AFDDs are important to me because basically with them they do something that nothing else did before, which is to find arc faults basically in houses and properties. As an electrician, it's important to find arc faults basically before they turn into a fire, because most fires, electrical fires, are caused by arc faults. I would recommend this for every house now. Basically, it doesn't have to be across the entire switchboard, but all the major areas. We would recommend generally, if your board has not been upgraded in at least the last 30 years, we recommend a full board upgrade, bring in your protection, which is your earth leakage protection, RCD protection if you've heard of it, and basically your arc fault protection, because this basically covers the house. If your house hasn't been rewired but you're worried about the wiring, if you're not going to get a rewiring because it's not quite old enough, if you put these in the switchboard and you've still got cable that's just on the brink, this will protect against everything that could go wrong, really.